Hey people, what's good? Right, I've got a bad boy double unboxing for you today. For those who have been living under a rock, you may not know it has been Stüssy's 40th anniversary, the godfather of streetwear, the brand that's really set the levels is 40 this year. And to celebrate, we've already seen some great, fantastic collaborations, and we've also seen the Zoom Spiridon, the much revered sort of connoisseur's classic, as designed by Stephen Smith, coming out in 3 different executions, right? But now we have what was, for me, one of the most eagerly anticipated versions of a bad boy iconic classic that has just come out and been rendered by Stüssy. In 1982, the Nike Air Force One debuted as designed by Bruce Kilgore on the court. You couldn't buy it, you had to be a player to get them. But then certain sort of models filtered out in Baltimore, New York and Philadelphia at certain key spots, such as Jew-Man, for example. And then over the years, this shoe has been sort of gradually eked out in distribution. And now we're seeing this iconic silhouette revered by everyone from mom and pops, sneakerheads, little kids on the street, whatever. They're all into it, which is brilliant. For me, you know, it's one of my favorite iconic models of all time. So 2 different executions of this bad boy have just dropped. Okay, you have the all black pair, which was available at all Stüssy account holders. And then you have the fossil pair, which is only available at Stüssy chapter stores. So I have to thank a really good friend for looking out for me on these bad boys. And I got to shout out my FOOTSHOP fam for looking out with these black bad boys and the drip as well, because the Stüssy Nike apparel was also part of the collection. So to the black ones first. Oh yeah, just look at that. Just look at that silhouette. Debuted in 1982, as I said, and after all these years, 38 years later, check it. Absolutely exquisite. Now let's get up close. You have a beautiful canvas upper. Here you have the Stüssy double S logo embroidered right there. Then you have a double patterned embroidered swoosh. Look how beautiful that looks. And then on the heel, you have pony hair, and then a double S Stüssy badge stamped right there. You have leather lined, and then as in all Stüssy tour t-shirts, hoodies and crews, they list the cities, and they've done that on the tongue tab right there. So these bad boys from FOOTSHOP. And then right to the fossil pair, the Stüssy exclusives. It's a real tough call as to which one works best. I mean, these ones will look great in summer, but the all black would drop so nice with a suit. I've got to say, once again, Stüssy have dropped some cold crack for our feet. These are absolutely wicked. Shouts to my FOOTSHOP fan for looking out on these bad boys, and shouts to my Stüssy crew for looking out on these, yo. And you people there, stay safe. Thanks for locking in once again. Peace and love as always.